In Android Studio, initializing and declaring views refer to the process of creating references to UI elements or the views defined in the layout XML files so that you can interact with them programmatically in Java or Kotlin code. Let's take this TextView as an example, and let's define the most important attribute in all widgets, which is the ID. We start by Android ID equal, and here we specify @+ID / and here you specify the ID for this text view. I'll add my text view as an ID for this text view, and whenever I need to initialize, declare, or use this text view, I need to refer to this unique identifier, which is the ID. So in this example, we declared a text view with ID myTextView. Now let's move to the main activity.java. Once you've declared a view in the XML layout, you need to initialize it in your Java or Kotlin code to interact with it programmatically. Initialization means creating a reference to the view using the ID you assigned to it in the XML. To do this, we use the findViewById method. What is the type of the view that we create? It's a text view. So we start by text view. I'm creating an object of this class text view. And here I'll press Alt+Enter to import the class. If we look up, we are importing the Android.widget.text view. findViewById is a method provided by the Android framework, and it searches for the view with the specified ID. I am specifying here r.id. Find the text view that it is named as myTextView. So this method will searches the view with the specified ID in the layout and returns a reference to that view as a text view object. Now you can use myTextView to modify the text, appearance, or perform other actions on the text view programmatically. So you can access and modify this text view during the runtime and not during the coding. So if I set here, set text, there are a lot of methods you can use: set color, set appearance, set cursor, set text, and so on. So everything you set or modify here programmatically will take place during the runtime. It's important to note that when you use findViewById, you need to ensure that the view with the specified ID exists in the layout XML file, and the ID is unique within the layout. If the view is not found or the ID is incorrect, the findViewById method will return null, and you might encounter null pointer exceptions or other exceptions if you attempt to use the view without proper null checks.